Welcome back to Teshkid Effects for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Vechain, whose current price stands at the $0.02506 mark, and here on TradingView the market is up by 3.38%, and in this video I want to give you the key scenarios that I expect to play out based on my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances, and also draw out the key chart patterns that you have information on this chart. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. Vechain from the all-time high has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, which has now taken us back to around the $0.02 mark. And starting my analysis here on the daily chart, here on the daily chart we had been trading within this channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the upside, also managed to break above key areas of resistances, but at the key area of resistance at around the $0.03362 mark we got rejected, and we are seeing a massive pullback to the lower side. If I jump to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 4-hour chart, after making our low at around the $0.02 mark, we had been seeing higher prices in this movement to the upside, which gave us a high at around the $0.03362 mark. And in my previous videos I was terming this movement to the upside as an Elliot wave structure, having this as the first wave. Then we saw a very nice movement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 2, then a wave 3, formation of a wave 4, then a wave 5, but that movement got invalidated the moment our wave 4 over here retraced into the high of that first wave, that is within this dotted line at around the $0.026 mark. And having done so, I had to remove this Elliot wave structure from my charts and view this movement to the upside as something else. And the only way we can view this movement to the upside as is just a massive ABC correction that was correcting this impulsive movement to the lower side. And after making the high for that ABC correction, whatever I expect on this other side is the formation of a 5-wave structure to the lower side, and that movement maybe could be giving us lower lows here on this chart. So if I get a little bit into the details of this movement to the lower side, you can see over here we have the first wave, the second wave, a third wave, a fourth wave, and then a fifth wave. And using a trend-based Fibonacci's, we can get to see whether that third wave to the lower side has done the minimum that we expect a third wave to do. And to do that, I just need to connect the fibs from the high of the wave 1 to the low of the wave 1, then drag the fibs to the low to the high of the wave 1, and that gives me a minimum target area for that third wave to the lower side at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.02658 mark. And you can see Vechain has respected that. We came down into that target area, then we made our low down here at around the $0.024 mark, and we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of a fourth wave. And after making the high for that fourth wave, we saw a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of a fifth wave, which gave us a low at around the $0.022 mark. If I jump to the 1-hour chart so that you can see this better, finishing the formation of this 5-wave structure to the lower side, then we can name that fractal wave as a higher Elliot wave count 1, and whatever I'm expecting after finishing the formation of a first wave to the lower side, I expect the formation of a second wave, and that could mean higher prices could be coming our way because we expect wave 2 to be a corrective wave. So using the Fibonacci's, we can get a target area for that second wave to the upside, and to do that I just need the fibs, connecting them from this high up here for that first wave to the low we have down here. That gives me a minimum target area for that second wave to the upside between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.5, and I can mark out that target area here on the charts like that, then remove the fibs, and you can see my target area for that second wave lies between the $0.028 mark and the $0.026 mark, and that gives me the key scenarios that I expect to play out on this chart. I expect Vechain to give us a bit of a pump, so very soon I'm expecting higher prices to be coming our way and continue pushing higher to get us into this red target area that I have over here. And now that you are trading above a key area of support it's possible that we might see a retest of that key area of support before we continue seeing higher prices, then continue pushing higher into our red target area. Then once we have maximized our red target area for that second wave, then we can expect lower prices in the formation of a third wave to the lower side, and that movement after the formation of a third wave, then we can expect the fourth wave and the fifth wave to give us a new low here on the Vechain chart. And in case that movement to the upside plays out, I will also expect it to play out in a ABC corrective movement, so we can have that as a wave A. Then in the retest we can see the formation of a wave B, then continue pushing higher to get us into our red target area in the formation of a wave C. And in case that movement plays out here on this chart, that will be completing the formation of a head and shoulders pattern. And if I draw it out here on the charts, we can have this as the left shoulder of that head and shoulders pattern. Then we have the head right here, then we have the formation of the neckline. And in case the formation of our wave C is done here by getting us into that red target area, then we can have the formation of the right shoulder, then expect lower prices, then see a breakout to the lower side. And this is a pattern that normally breaks out to the lower side, having the target area of that breakout as the height between the head and the neckline. So using a trend line, we can get that height, then take that height and place it down here to get a target area to the lower side, and that gives me a target area to around the $0.01 mark. So it's possible in case we see the formation of a wave 2, then continue seeing lower prices in the formation of a third wave, it's possible that we might complete the formation of this head and shoulders pattern, then see a breakout to the lower side, and could take us back to around the $0.01 mark. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. Also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported here on the RSI. On the RSI we are trading at around the 66 mark, so we have a bit of room for us to continue pushing higher before we get into the overbought region. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. Also taking a look at the MACD. On the MACD we have printed a bullish cross, and that would mean higher prices could be coming our way, so we might see the formation of a wave 2 before we continue seeing lower prices in the formation of a third wave. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.